Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a poll on Instagram application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you are stay in a home sections right here. And whenever you are in the home section, you can just slide your screen into the right side to access the Instagram story camera, or you can also just simply click this plus button right here, and after that you will be bring into your photo library. And now you just need to choose the content that you can use for the background of the content, and now you can just creating the poll. To create the poll, you just need to go click this symbols right here, and after that you just need to go click this poll button. And now you just need to prepare the questions that you want to ask to the poll. So let's say what's better to have in a rainy day? And then you give an options tea and coffee. And after that you just need to go click done, and you can adjusting the position of this polls just by drag this into specific part that you want. And after you're done, you just need to simply click this add into your story down here. And now you already create a poll and wait until your followers responding into your question. So that is the way, guys, how to create polls on Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.